Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful macrame leaf or feather, whatever you call it. So let's get started. To make this feather, you need 18 inches of this cord, which is folded in half, and I just make a simple knot here. Now take these. These are the small pieces of 8 inches folded in half and place it under the cord. Now take another piece. This is also 8 inches and folded in half, and now just place it above this cord and pass these two ends, and these two ends will go from this loop, and here you go. This is like making a square knot, and then you drag this above. This is what we are going to do for whole project. Under the two cords, and then take another piece, pass the ends through this loop, and pass these ends through this, and then so I attached 14 cords, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here and 7 here. So total 14 cords in 8 inches folded in half, and I attach them here. Now we will just untwist this cord and then we'll comb them. So once you comb it, now you will shape it and cut it in a leaf shape.